The United Nations designated a day for friendship in 2011 because research shows strong friendships predict a longer, healthier life more reliably than almost anything else. International Day of Friendship is July 30. The UN General Assembly established the day to promote peace and solidarity through bonds between individuals, communities, and countries. The Harvard study of adult development, which tracks subjects for over 80 years, found that close relationships were the single strongest predictor of late life happiness and health, outpacing income, fame, and professional success. Friendship is a documented health resource that most adults systematically underinvest in as life gets busier. Who is the friend you have been meaning to call? Today is the actual day to do it. Not a text, not a liked post, a call, a coffee, a plan that has been pending too long. The research is clear about what matters. Send this to that person and make the plan happen today.